Ndewo Igbo bụ Igbo. Welcome to today's class. No n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. In today's video, we'll be learning how to say simple greetings in Igbo language. Greetings means ekene. Ekene. You can say ekene or ekele. Ekene or ekele n'asụsụ Igbo. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. That is good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Or you can say ịsaalachi or ịbọọlachi. Some parts of Igbo use ịsaalachi or ịbọọlachi. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Good afternoon. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Good evening. Good night. Abalị ọma. Abalị ọma or anyasị ọma is good night. Though that's the basic or literal meaning of good night. In Igbo language, good night means kachifo. Good night in Igbo language, which is till daybreak or till dawn, means kachifo or kọọdị n'ụtụtụ. Good night kọọdị n'ụtụtụ or kachifo. That is the meaning of good night in Igbo language. No. No. When somebody comes back from a place, work, from market, from anywhere, you say no. Or when you have a visitor, you say no. What is no? What is no in English? That is welcome. Welcome. No. No. You see the way it sounds? No. Then well done. Ndewo. Ndewo. Ndewo is well done. Well done. You can say ndewo no. This is when you are greeting people in a group or when there are more than one person. You say ndewo no. Ndewo no. That is well done. It's a kind of saying hi to somebody or hello, not just on done. It's a kind of saying hi or hello. Imeela or daalụ. Imeela or daalụ. That is thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Imeela or daalụ. When somebody does something for you or when somebody helps you, you can say daalụ. Imeela. Then you can say kekwan. Kekwan. Kekwan is simply asking somebody, how now? How now? Ke nke na-emenụ. Ke nke na-emenụ. That is what's happening. What is happening? What's happening? Maybe when you see your folks, your friends, you can easily say kenkenemen. What's happening? Then the response is udo. That is peace. No wahala. Nothing is happening. Or odemma. It is fine. Odemma. Or udo. Udo means peace. No wahala. Nothing is happening. Somebody can ask you, kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị dị? Kedu ka ọ dị? All this means how are you in Igbo language. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka ị dị? Kedu ka ọ dị? How are you? The person is simply asking you, how are you? Then the response is odemma, or you say adimumma, or you say udodi. That is no problem. Udodi. No problems. If you want to ask after somebody's family, maybe you meet a friend or a colleague and you want to ask after the person's family, you can say, kedu ka ndị be gị mere? Kedu ka nwunye gị na ụmụ gị mere? That is, how is your family? Kedu ka ndị be gị mere? How is your wife and children? The response is ha dị mma. Ha meaning they. Ha dị mma. They are fine. Mma means fine. Mma means fine. Ka emesịa or ka ọ dị. Ka emesịa or ka ọ dị. That is goodbye. Ndewo. We have come to the end of today's class. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. See you in my next video. Ndewo, Igbo Igbo.